Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So let's make it. You need to press and hold at empty space. Then click Edit or Plus at the left top and add widget. Now we need to scroll down and find batteries. And right here we have it, but also you can use a search and write batteries here and then click on it. You will see the same menu. Right here we have 3 presets, so select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your earbuds are turned on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use an application. You need to open EDIFIER Connect application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu here. And right here we have battery percentages for the left and right earbuds and also for the charging case. But for the charging case, we can check it only if your earbuds inside the charging case. Now I remove it and as you can see we have no information. So at least one of your earbuds should be inside the charging case and we can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!